Hi everyone, welcome back to class. My name is RAMONI. We are starting lying down on our backs in Shavasana. Feel free to close your eyes. Make your way into a butterfly position, bringing the bottoms of the feet together. Knees are relaxed out wide. Place your hands on your lower belly and just really connect with yourself as you take some deep breaths, breathing into the belly, really expanding your belly every time you take an inhale, and then releasing all of the air every time you exhale. Circle the knees around and then close them together and just hug them close to your chest here. Extend your legs up towards the ceiling for your waterfall pose. Let's grab behind the legs, pulling them close to you just so you can feel a little hamstring stretch. Let's bend the knees again and rock up the length of our spine 2, 3, 4 times until we make our way into a seated position. When you get to that seated position, let's straighten the legs out in front of us. Extend your arms up to the ceiling, and let's go into a forward fold, reaching for the feet or the toes, the ankles, whatever feels best for you right now. Make your way into a cross-legged position here. Let's drop the right ear down to the right shoulder. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can take your right hand, placing it on top of the head, and you can also extend that left arm out to the side. Come into a side body stretch by placing your right hand right next to you and lifting up and over with that left arm. So you should feel a stretch all in the left side of your body here. Let's sweep it through the center, and we have our side body stretch on the left side this time. So really extending that right arm up and over. Lower that right arm as you place your left hand on top of the head, just like we did on the other side, just deepening that stretch in the neck here. Now let's walk the hands forward, coming into our cross-legged forward fold, and I want you to sway from side to side here, releasing any tension in the spine or the neck or the shoulders. And now let's make our way into a tabletop position on all fours. We're going to take some full body circles, some spine circles. So shift the body over to the right and then arch your back. And now you shift the body to the left and then you round the spine. Let's do that one more so you make a really big circle with the entire body, your entire spine, your head, your neck. And let's reverse it, going to the other side. Really take your time here. Feel all of your muscles stretching. Maybe you feel some cracks in the body. Round your spine as you sit your hips back for child's pose, relaxing here. Let's come back to hands and knees for low lunge with the left foot stepping in between both palms. If you have any knee injuries or anything hurts, you can just pause this and place a little cushion under the knee. Begin to sweep your arms up overhead. I really want you to relax the shoulders and continue breathing deeply as you focus right in front of you. Let's open up for a modified warrior 2. So you're still staying in that kneeling position and the arms are in a T position. As you begin to shift forward, coming into a modified extended side angle. So that right arm is high in the air, looking up. We come back to our warrior 2, making our way into a reverse warrior, a modified reverse warrior. You have the option to wrap that right arm around the low back. Bring that left forearm down to the left knee and extend that right arm up and over. And now let's windmill the arms towards the back of your yoga mat. I know we're switching things up a bit. Drop your belly low, looking up for your cow pose. And now let's round the back, pulling the chin into the chest for cat. Repeat that one more time. Let's step the right foot up for our low lunge. Option to lift the arms if you lifted the arms on the other side. And now let's open up for our modified warrior 2. We lower that right arm for our extended side angle. And we come into our modified reverse warrior. Remember, you have the option to wrap the bottom arm around the low back. Bring that right forearm down to the right thigh as you extend the left arm up and over. And now let's windmill the arms back to the front of our yoga mat as you slowly, keyword slowly, begin to lower your hips down towards your yoga mat. And I want you to take some movement here. So some head circles, move your shoulders, do whatever feels most comfortable to you. And let's come back to our child's pose, but let's close the knees completely here so you can kind of feel a stretch in that back. And we're going to bring the arms next to our sides here. Come into a tabletop position as you extend your right arm up towards the ceiling. We're going to take some circles with this arm. So just bring it forward and down and back, and then back up towards the ceiling. Let's do that one more time. So you bring it forward and down and back. And now let's place the hand back on the yoga mat so we can do that same thing on the left side. So you lift that left arm up and you go into those circles. Lower your hand back down, making your way into a sphinx pose on the belly. In your sphinx pose, I want you to shine your chest forward. Relax the lower body. We're going to take some head circles, but just some semi-head circles. So just bringing each ear to the shoulder. So bring your right ear towards the right shoulder. Drop your head forward. Bring the left ear to the left shoulder and repeat. Lower down onto the belly completely as you reach behind you for your your right foot or your right ankle. Just feeling a little thigh stretch here. You can go as deep as you want to go. And now let's switch legs. Release your foot as you lower your cheek down onto the backs of your palms and you relax here, taking some deep breaths. Roll onto your side, making your way into the fetal position. And now we slowly press our way up into a comfortable seated position, relaxing the shoulders and the hips. Circle your arms up towards the ceiling, lifting the arms and bringing the hands to heart center. Let's take a big inhale in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I really hope that you enjoyed this class. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments. Everything that you're going to need is on the screen or in the description box below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next class.